Yep.
On.
There we go. Whoa.
Going backwards.
That one went way back. And boom! Right in the ground. Boom. No parachute that time. The good news is it didn't go that far. Did it say anything?
23 miles per hour to 37 miles per hour.
Really?
23 to 37. 23 to 37.
Okay.
No, that's 23 kilometers per hour. Oh, whoa! He got stuck in the ground. Whoa! He got lost in the dirt. Bad. I may have pushed the parachute in too far.
Something happened. Or didn't happen. But the good news is we got the rocket back. We got the cat back. Alright guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down on model rocketry. Alright, thumbs up. Are we going to do this again?
Yep.
Cool.